So we chop down small trees that are reasonable size to cut even with a knife. And in survival situation you might not have a knife, but in this case we do. So 3 tripods together. This is going to be my body length pretty much. This is where I'm going to sleep. Okay, I have the pine boughs in the bottom. So now I gotta grab 2 poles, put it more in front, like a teepee, like that, and then lean that down to a shelter. I could put that tripod like this, like that. Then I can adjust it. And if you look, I have just enough space, just enough space now. So maybe if I flat it out and I start removing the snow underneath, bring the pine boughs back. So after that, we'll bring a whole bunch of pine boughs. I just want to make sure my body could fit underneath, which is nice. Just a little bit smaller than you. You're gonna have more heat because you're gonna contract yourself a bit more inside your shelter. So this is it. Gonna shake the tree off. Gonna grab all these branches, and you can see if I put pressure on the tree, obviously works better. It works better on smaller trees, but okay. So I'm gonna bring all the trees . So this is the survival shelter I plan on building if there's anything in the woods. One thing that's important is to wear leather gloves. Nylon gloves are gonna break up. I put some wood here, so I'm gonna sit down here. I don't want the heat to melt this part. Then inside, what I did, I pushed the snow away on the wall. Then I went on the outside, and I just pushed some snow like this on the outside, so the bottom doesn't bring a draft. Besides that, I'm gonna put the boughs inside, and I'll see you after. Very nice seat here. If I don't have any more kindling, I'll use this here. Should be good cedar. Perfect. Yeah, looks good. Not too cold today. It's like -1. Nice little weather. You don't need the gloves. It's pretty cool. Yes. Houston, we have fire. Oh, I can even lean like this on the side. the more it gets colder at night, I bring the fire closer to me. I should be fine. Yes. So what I made here is a survival shelter that you can build practically with a knife. With a little bit more time, you can do it with a knife, no problem, or without a knife with a little bit more time again. Where I'm gonna put my feet, usually when the fire's hot, it creates some ice on the side. So I put some wood, some logs on each sides as steps, so I don't slip down and hurt myself. Also where I wanna sit. And it's also nice because I have this crossbar here I can use. Me and my friend can sit down. It's gonna be interesting to see then how hot the fire can warm the shelter. And you can see it's about chest high always. I always make shelters that height. This is my friend. Pretty cool shelter. Nice survival shelter. No ropes needed. That's also one of the details I was trying to figure out. You need a little bit of space. Sure can lean on each side here. It's pretty cool.
It's a beautiful fire.
Oh
yeah, it's hot.
Oh, it's getting higher and higher. Oh, nice. Good thing we found this tree. Easy to burn. Oh. Whew, very nice.
Yeah, it's a nice
That's
fire.
cozy, man.
Nice shelter.
I'm drying. See, I'm drying here. My knees are drying. That's a good sign. Most of the time your knees are wet, your feet are wet, so you can keep your body pretty out of the elements and dry up here, and that's it. Pretty cool. You can still feel the warmth here. Oh yeah, I wouldn't spit on this shelter. I like it. Some people, I don't know, it's like they're sitting on a tin seat on a shady side of an iceberg, but me, I think you and me in the woods like this, anybody that can make a long fire like that, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. There you go, put my foot there, feet there. I can feel the warmth. I'm okay here. It's not cold today, but I'm pretty nice here. I feel the warmth. I really feel a lot of warmth. Yeah, it's working out. Little survival shelter. And then you put a little bit of, what's that? No. You put a bit of spruce boughs where your feet are, just a bit, not too much, because they're gonna start burning up if it's too close to the fire. But that's fine. And you can add extra logs and then make a nice staircase. I'll show you. Nice long log fire. It's very unbearable. Let me tell you, it's perfect for the night. So you can dry yourself, make the shelter very easily, probably with just a knife or one axe. If you have an axe or a knife, probably have a fire steel. Wouldn't hurt. So planning to make supper tonight and relax in the tent, go to sleep, have a good night's sleep. This here is really cozy. Very cozy. Woo. Little tour around. So you see, at the bottom I kicked some snow up. Same thing here. You got the tent. Yes, sir. Leftover logs from last night, or whatever we had left. It's a go. Let's go.